In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Claude AI, guiding you step by step through the setup process. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be ready to dive into using Claude AI for a multitude of tasks, whether you're accessing it from a web browser, a desktop application, or your mobile device. So let's get started on setting up your very own Claude account. To begin, you'll need to create a Claude account. This is your gateway to accessing all the useful capabilities that Claude has to offer. Once you have an account, you can choose the platform that suits your needs best for accessing Claude. It's available on multiple platforms, which include web browsers, Windows or Mac OS desktop apps, and even apps for Android devices and iPhone or iPad. This flexibility means you can work seamlessly across different devices depending on what's most convenient for you. Now, if you'd prefer using Claude on your desktop, the next step is optional but highly recommended for those who enjoy the reliability of desktop applications. You can visit the Claude download page. Here you have the freedom to download the version that matches your operating system, whether it's Windows or Mac. Once the download is complete, simply run the installer and sign in using your Claude account, and there you have it. Claude is now installed and ready to use on your desktop. Next up, let's dive into starting your first chat with Claude. This is where the magic truly begins. Start by clicking on the New Chat button. You'll notice how intuitive it is. In the chat window, you can type a question or a task you have in mind and simply press Enter. For instance, you might want Claude to write a professional email for you, or perhaps you need a detailed explanation about Windows 11's task scheduler. Maybe you're trying to make sense of an article and need it summarized, or you need help in creating a budget spreadsheet. These are just a few examples of the assistance Claude can offer. Additionally, Claude's capabilities aren't just limited to text-based tasks. You can enhance your interaction by uploading files. To do this, just click the plus button and you can upload a PDF, an image, a Word document, an Excel file, or any other supported file formats. Once uploaded, you can instruct Claude to analyze, summarize, or even extract pertinent information from these files. This feature can save you plenty of time when working with complex documents or when you need quick, automated insights. That's about it. By following these steps, you're all set to harness the power of Claude AI effectively. It's designed to be user-friendly and versatile, making it an invaluable tool for both personal and professional tasks. Thank you for joining today, and happy chatting with Claude.